Welcome to my channel Geography Ki Pathshala. Myself Polumi Chakraborty. So in my last video I ended up with the first chapter of class 12. So in this video I am going to start with the second chapter, which is the world population. So let's start with today's video. So in our previous chapter, which is Human Geography, Nature and Scope, there we came to know that human geography has some fields and subfields. So one field of human geography is population geography. So our second chapter, which is the world population, it comes under the discussion of population geography. Now we will understand the chapter by knowing the meaning of population. Population means that all the inhabitants of a particular place. It is called population, and here we are going to discuss about the human population. So first comes about the distribution of population. So we all know that all over the world the distribution of population is not same. In some place we can see higher population distribution, and in other place we can see lower population distribution. And we can say that 90% of the world's population lives in 10% of its land area, and out of 10 most populated countries, 6 are located in our Asian continent. So such as I can give you the example of like China, India, Bangladesh, these all are highly populated countries. Now what is density of population? So density of population means number of population in a per unit area. Here unit means per square kilometer. That means density is equals to population divided by area. Here I have given one example, so it is quite clear to you. Suppose the region A, its area is 100 square kilometer and the population of region A is 2,50,000. Then how we will get the population density of the region A? By this 2,50,000, this is the total population. So the total population of region A divided by the area of region A, which is 100 square kilometer. So what is the result is that 2,500 persons per square kilometer. This is the population density of region A. Now I will like to give you some information about density, that in India's population density according to 2011 census is 382 person per square kilometer, and India's total population is 1,210,726,932, or we can say it like 1.21 billion. So now I will discuss about the factors influencing population distribution. So there are three main factors. One is geographic, second is economic, and the third one is socio-cultural. So in geographic factors we will see that there are some other factors like landforms, availability of water, climate and soil. So first I come to the point of landforms. So we all prefer to live in a plain land rather than in a mountainous or hilly region. So here I can give you the example of Gangetic Plain. Here we can see the population is quite high rather than the Himalayas mountain region. Next comes the availability of water. We all know that water is very essential for our life. So availability of water, it plays an important role. From fresh water we can use it for our bathing, for our drinking, for cooking foods and etc. Next comes climate. So in this we can see that people are neither living in a very extreme kind of climate nor living in an equatorial region, because in equatorial region here the rainfall amount is quite high. So we can see that people are not living in Antarctic region or Sahara region nor in the Amazon or Congo basin areas, right? So they are mainly concentrating near the Mediterranean region, because this comes under the temperate zone, which is neither too cold nor too hot. Next comes soil. So soil fertility, it also plays an important role in agricultural production. By this it plays an important role in population distribution. Next, in economic factors comes minerals, urbanizations, industries. So if we see any region which is very high in mineral concentration, that means what? It will attract the people into that region. Next comes urbanization, such as if I take the example of like our metropolitan cities of India like Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai. So these all are metropolitan cities, and these cities, they provide us much more opportunities or much more scope. So there we can see the population is quite high. Next comes industries. If in any region their industries are concentrated, then that means what? It will provide us job opportunities or employment scopes, and that will attract the people to that region. Next comes socio-cultural factors, which is religious or cultural significance and social or political issues. So over here, religious or cultural significance, I can give you the example of Banaras. In Banaras, we can see the high concentration of population. For what? Because of our religious belief and also the cultural significance of that area. Next is social or political issues. So if you see any region or any area is socially or politically is unresting, then there people will not live, they will migrate from that area. So these are the factors which plays an important role in population distribution. So now we will see some concepts of population growth. First we will see that what is growth of population. Growth of population means that how the population is changing in a particular area in two different point of time. Suppose the area A. I am taking the population of the area A in 2001, which is 5 lakhs, and in 2011 I am saying that the population in that same area is 12 lakhs. Now from here I can say that the growth of population of area A is 7 lakhs. That means in 2001 the population was 5 lakhs and it increased up to 7 lakhs, and now in 2011 the population becomes 12 lakhs. So this is the growth of population. Next comes growth rate. Growth rate means when we are showing this change of population in percentage, that is called growth rate. Next comes natural growth. Natural growth means birth rate minus death rate. Next, actual growth of population means births minus deaths plus immigrants, means the people who are coming to a region from another region. Next, minus outmigrants means the people who are going outside from a region to another region. So this way we will calculate the actual growth of population. In positive growth of population, we will see that the birth rate is higher than the death rate, or we can see that people from other countries migrates to a region permanently. Next, in negative growth of population, here we will see that the birth rate is lower and the death rate is higher, or we can see that people migrates to other region. So this way we can say that we are completing the part 1 of the second chapter, which is the world population. I hope you enjoyed the video and the concepts are clear to you. If there is any doubt or any query, then please comment below. Thank you.